20% upside in just 1 month. Yes, you heard it right. What is that opportunity? Let's find out. As you can see, there is a fantastic triangle formation in Steel Authority of India. So it's in consolidation since January, and it has given a breakout today. At the today's close, it has given us a clean breakout here. So it moved within the triangle, clean breakout, plus we have all the 5 indicators of Ichimoku are giving us a green signal. So it's a high probability that it will go to the upside to the triangle's target. What will be the target? As we know, the height of the triangle, if we take it then and keep it at the point of breakout, it is likely to go up by 25%. So let's say we are already there, this close has happened, so 20% approximately. By when it will reach there, it is as per the triangle theory, it is likely to reach to its target on or before 30th April. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time in the next video. Thank you.